Welcome to this Fixit channel, and this is a quick update to some updates that have been released for Windows 10. So first of all, if you are not here, there's a typo. If you're on the older versions of Windows 10, so this does not concern you for any updates this year. 1803 that was released back in April, and 1809, which is October 2018 update, if you are there, you have no updates. There's no updates for these. These are updates for older versions still supported. That's the Creators Update, version 1703, and Fall Creators Update, version 1709. It brings your versions to 16299.755 or 15063.1418. They are purely bug fixes, a big list of it. Really a lot of bug fixes, but really no security fix in there. So there's no hurry to install it. If everything goes well, you know what? Just wait until it's there. Don't go searching for it necessarily, since no security updates in here. And it is once again only for the older versions of Windows 10. If you're on the latest version, April 2018 or October 2018 updates, there's no updates for you right now. It's really for the older versions. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.